all over the world. First thing that I initially noticed when I came in was the cohesiveness and us as a community coming together. I mean, this is what it means to be a global, diverse and thriving Somali community.
This is really important in the sense that it is the process of creating role models for the next generation of Somalis.
I think the International Somali Awards is really an incredible achievement, and I think it plays an important role for the confidence of the whole community.
It's great, it's huge. It changes the image that the public has of Somalia, and I like to see the progress people are making and what they achieve.